Hi, my name is Ray Seward. I'm from Oxon Hill, Maryland. So when I first came here, of course, I had a L5 disc had degenerated, and I couldn't walk. I couldn't sit down. When I first came here, of course, I came on my walker, and so the next week, after the first week, I came the second week. I was able to not have to use my walker any longer. I was able to use a cane. By the third week, I came back and I didn't have to use a cane. And so I was actually walking on my own. And from that point, I've been progressing to the point where I feel as though I'm back to almost normal, but I'm still going through therapy. Spinal decompression has really helped me, and I do recommend that for anyone who may have the same type of back pain that I have.